I want to hop on here and tell you one of my biggest mistakes, what I made when I started working out. I was going to the gym and not having a clue what the hell I was doing. So I was just going there, looking around and like copying what I see people doing. Not knowing what if they're doing was right. I was like, all right, it looks like it was right. I just went there and just go on the machine and try to copy them. And I noticed nothing was happening. I was hurting myself. I was not seeing no results. So I said I had to fix it. So how I fixed it was actually educating myself by watching the proper videos of how to do certain exercises. And the biggest flex is ask for help. I got a trainer and he taught me a few things. And then I started going to a gym where helped me out a lot because it's more of classes. You have instructors and trainers there to always teach you the proper form. If you're doing something wrong, they'll stop you and show you to the proper way. They even ask you what you want in your fitness journey. Then they'll come up with a plan, an eating plan, because that's one of my biggest flaws, is my eating is way off. It's either I don't eat enough, I don't have enough protein, don't get enough food in me. I'm bad at it. Horrible. Anyways, so I go to this gym now. They'll help you with a meal plan. They'll teach you the proper forms. They'll tell you, hey, your form is off because you're lifting too much weight. And it helped me tremendously. So that was my biggest mistake, start working out, is like not having a clue what I'm doing. And I fixed it by getting help. In life, I know it's difficult, but you always need help. And some people are afraid to ask for help in all aspects of life. But anyways, that was my story. Have a great day.